Hi, I'm Dr. Jesse Gill, here to announce the release of my new book, Green Zone, Attachment and Flourishing for Christian Leaders. This book is the outgrowth of the last couple decades of my work as a Christian psychologist who has been privileged to serve pastors and Christian leaders walking through hard times, relationship difficulties, places that they were stuck, and it's been a joy and a privilege to serve. But this book is also very personal to me because my dad was a pastor, and several of my closest friends have been pastors the last couple of decades. And so I've been able to see behind the scenes the joys, the sorrows of this privileged vocation, but also this vocation which is sometimes so hard, and we get knocked down, we get plummeted into places of fear sometimes, some places of discouragement. And what we want to do is to be able to rise back up and to come into the green zone, literally re-inhabiting the space that God created us for in the Garden of Eden. It's a place of flourishing, it's a place of connection, it's a place of being in the present moment that God has for us each and every day. It's a place of renewing our minds. And so if you would like to learn more about how to dwell in the green zone space, maybe to get unstuck from bad habits or besetting sins, how to have the best type of relationship that you can have, how to have allies, if you're a married person, how to be connected to your spouse emotionally and physically. If you've been through loss, which we all have, how to grieve effectively, how to recover from disillusionment and betrayal. I use Green Zone each and every day to bring myself back when I get off into fear or when I get into despair. Won't you join me in the Green Zone? Check it out at face2faceliving.com.